Every piece of plastic has a story. And today, we follow its journey from waste to something useful once again.
The journey begins when plastic waste arrives at a materials recovery facility. First, workers and machines separate plastics from paper, metal, and organic waste. Advanced scanners identify plastics by type, PET, HDPE, PP, and more. Robotic sorters increase accuracy, ensuring each plastic stream is pure. Compressed bales are stored and transported using certified equipment and trained personnel. Secure transport ensures the waste reaches reprocessing plants without contamination. Bales are opened with controlled tools that follow strict lockout-tagout protocols. A high-powered shredder reduces plastics safely inside enclosed chambers.
Washing tanks remove dirt using controlled water systems and sealed units.
Float sink systems separate plastics by density, with railings ensuring worker safety.
Dryers remove moisture under strict temperature regulation.
Clean flakes enter extruders through secure feeding systems.
Inside the extruder, plastic melts under monitored heat and pressure.
Impurities are removed through industrial-grade filtration. Cooling baths solidify the plastic strands, while sensors track safety thresholds.
A pelletizer cuts the strands into uniform pellets inside safety enclosures.
The resulting pellets are clean, safe, and ready for manufacturing.
Pellets travel to certified facilities for their next transformation.
Manufacturers melt pellets and mold them under precise, supervised conditions.
Some pellets become new, clean PET bottles for beverages.
Others become durable furniture for public spaces.
Recycled materials also turn into fiber for textiles and carpets.
In construction, recycled plastic forms eco-friendly structural materials. Automated systems package finished goods without waste or contamination.
These products reach global markets, labeled as certified recycled goods.
Consumers play a key role in supporting sustainable circular systems. Recycling reduces environmental pressure and conserves resources.
Modern recycling facilities operate with renewable energy and low emissions.
Plastic may start as waste, but with safe, advanced recycling, it becomes valuable again.